A referee reaches into his pocket. The whole stadium holds its breath. Which card comes out? And what does it actually mean? Most fans think they know. Most fans are wrong, because there are more cards in football than the two you're picturing right now. So let's explain every single one. The yellow card. Start with the famous one. The yellow card. This is a caution, a warning. The referee is telling a player to calm down before things get worse. You get a yellow for a hard foul, for diving, for wasting time, for arguing too much, for pulling a shirt to stop a counterattack. One yellow, and you keep playing, but you play scared. One wrong move and your day is over. And here is the part that haunts players. Yellow cards stack across a tournament. Pick up 2 in the group stage, and you miss the next match. You don't even need a red. The yellows do it for you. We've all watched a star miss a quarterfinal because of 2 soft yellows weeks apart. It feels unfair, but those are the rules. The red card. Now the big one. The red card. Red means you're gone. Off the pitch. Down the tunnel. Your team plays the rest of the match with 10 men. There are 2 ways to see red. The first is a straight red, a horror tackle, violent conduct, spitting, a clear handball that stops a certain goal. The referee skips the warning and sends you off on the spot. The second is the slow death. 2 yellows in one match equal a red. The referee shows the second yellow, then the red right after it. Same result. You're done. A red card changes everything. 10 men have to defend deeper, run harder, and pray. And the suspension carries into the next game too. The green card. Here's one most casual fans have never heard of. The green card. This card barely exists at the top level, but it's real. It was tested in lower leagues in Italy. The green card rewards good behavior. Imagine a player admitting he dived, or telling the referee the ball went out off his own team. The referee shows green to say, "Well done, that's honest." It never spread to the World Cup. Fans found it strange. But it shows football once tried to reward fair play, not just punish fouls. The white card. Then there's the white card. Even rarer. Portugal made history with this one. In a Women's Cup match, a referee pulled out a white card. It wasn't for a player. It was for sportsmanship. Both benches had helped a sick fan in the crowd. The referee rewarded the gesture. The stadium applauded. The white card isn't in the main rulebook, but it made headlines worldwide. People liked the idea of a card that says, "Thank you," instead of, "You're punished." The sin bin. Now let's talk about something coming to more of the game. The sin bin. This isn't a colored card exactly, but it works like one. The referee sends a player off for 10 minutes. Then, they return. It's used in grassroots and youth football to stop dissent. Argue with the ref, and you sit out. Your team plays short for 10 minutes. Then you come back. Many fans want this in the professional game. They're tired of players swarming the referee. The sin bin could fix that overnight. The VAR factor. And here's where it gets messy in the modern game. VAR can change any card. A yellow can become a red. A red card can be canceled. A penalty can appear from nowhere. We've all sat through those long, awkward waits. The referee jogs to the screen. The whole stadium groans. Then the decision flips, and half the fans are furious. Cards used to be instant. Now they're a debate. That's the world we live in. So that's every card in football. Yellow, red, green, white, and the sin bin are waiting in the wings. Here's my question for you. Should the sin bin come to the World Cup? Would it finally stop the moaning at referees? Tell me in the comments. I read them all. And if you want the no-nonsense football breakdowns, subscribe. We've got plenty more coming.